My name is Peter Henkenuhan. I'm with the North Carolina Bee Exchange. My wife started what I call harassing me about wanting her own honey for her tea. So the time came where I needed to put a stop to that and decided to put some beehives in our backyard and told her, "There are your bees, please stop harassing me." Shortly after I was told that the bees were not the only addition to our household, we decided maybe while pregnant she shouldn't be getting stung by bees. It kind of backfired on me and I ended up having to take care of the bees, and I kind of found out that it's actually fairly pleasant to do. That has been about 10 years ago when we started getting into beekeeping, and about 3 years ago we decided to take it from there to the next level and go commercial. Just about every third bite we humans consume depends on honeybee pollination. So pollination is an important cornerstone of modern agriculture, as fruits and vegetables like strawberries, cucumbers, pumpkins, everything. It is a huge chain of commercially grown fruits and vegetables that depend on bee pollination. When the honey has fully ripened, which means the bees had drawn the moisture contents down below 18%, they seal it up with a little cap of wax. Before we can extract the honey, we basically have to uncap the comb and then insert the individual frames into the honey extractor, where by centrifuge force the honey will be slung out of the comb and we can drain it. If all goes well, we can expect somewhere between 60 and 90 pounds of honey per beehive. We package our honey typically in 3 different jar sizes: half pound, 1 pound, and 2 pounds. Most people think of bees, honeybees, that all they do is honey, and that is certainly the majority of our product line, but at the same time we also try to utilize all the bee wax and make candles, balms, and other products of that. From the processing perspective, beekeeping really hasn't changed all too much for thousands of years. It's a very untouched natural food source.